sung goodbye for us. You have to say it, baby. And us in Texaco's. You wanna try, baby. I know you can, I know your heart, and you will figure out you love me now, 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 love you now. I gotta leave you, love me now, 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 love you now. I gotta leave.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. It is a beautiful Saturday morning. Ruben's pumped already.
I'm excited. So excited.
We're at the Wildwood Canyon in the city of Yucaipa. We'll see what we get ourselves into today. Again, it's a beautiful morning. It's currently 52 degrees here in Yucaipa. It says we'll get a high of 55. So it's gonna just be we like the weather cold, so to me it's just gonna be a beautiful day. Birds are out, sky's blue, sun's out, we're ready to go.
Driving up here, we saw you know how you have like a be aware of deer or whatever. We saw a beware of bear sign. So I was like,
I didn't know there were bears out here.
So we might have found our new home. No, so we're gonna go check out the site, see what we got. Just to give you guys a little update, it's been about a week since I had the little fall.
Since you got booted.
Since I got booted, yeah.
If you haven't seen the video, you got to watch the previous one.
At the end, we'll put it up top somewhere so you guys can kind of link to it and see what I'm talking about. But so it's been about a week. I'm feeling stronger. I've been, taking care of it, nursing it, and so we're gonna give it a test. And what a test today, huh? We're going big. Go big, go home. So yeah. So let's do this. I'm excited. Oh, I can't wait for this one. Woo.
See what we get ourselves into.
Cool. Let's go.
Come on.
Serious. Dude, look at their front yard. So I don't know if this was said on camera, but there's a lot of people with signs talking about the wildlife that's out here. That there's an abundance of it. So hopefully we can catch it on camera. That's called peace. Nice and peaceful.
But you know how if a bear's in the area, everybody gets quiet?
Oh, you're talking like that, yeah.
It's like that type of quiet.
We're just used to honking horns and people flipping us off and
road rage.
There's a lot of smells out here too. It's like, that fresh smell, mountain smell. And then I just got a whiff of
smells like fresh dirt.
Fresh dirt and manure, or
it's horses.
Horses, yeah.
Because there's horses here, so I smell horse.
Yeah. But watching the hunting shows or the nature shows that we watch, and they're talking about say the last one we saw was about moose. He was talking about how you could smell the difference between when I was laying down a couple hours ago versus one that was just in the area or still in the area. Pretty crazy.
Out in the wild. Those birds you hear are blue jays going crazy. That's actually why we stopped. We stopped to get, I was like, because I love blue jays, that's one of my favorite birds. And I was like, let's stop. I hear blue jays going crazy in this tree. And Ruben spots this owl. Sorry that it's so blurry.
I know, my camera's blurry too.
It's the sun, the way the sun's hitting.
Looks pretty cool though too.
There's wild rattlers out here too.
Okay. This is our first time here. So,
Oh, is
yeah.
it? Oh,
Yeah, so we
it's a
spent-
great place to hike.
Yeah.
There's so many trails. Like if you take that one we just came up on up to the meadow, that's a beautiful hike up
Okay,
there.
yeah, we're gonna try it out.
Yeah,
We were reading all the comments. People were like deer, bobcats,
yeah,
mountain
yeah.
lions.
There's bear up there too.
Bear, yeah. You guys ever bump into anything like that?
No, not up here. I haven't seen bear, but I see lots of deer.
Alright guys, so we're a little over a mile in and check it out. Looks like an abandoned, what do you think, like ranch?
Homestead.
What do you think, people are living out here at one point?
Yeah. It's pretty cool. There's still a water trough full of water, so I'm sure animals can come down here and use this.
Yeah. But you know, we're in the middle of the mountain and then you just see this pop up. About to fix it up and move in. Oh, I hear something. What is that?
Not sure.
Sound like an animal running.
Yeah.
What could it be? Look at Ruben. He hears something running. He's going that direction. Oh gosh. Sound like something ran over here. Oh look, there's an old car here. Let me know if you see something, babe. Do that. Anything?
No, we're good.
Okay. Animals are so quick, they're gone before you know.
Jump in, babe. Let's go
Look
for
at
a
that.
ride.
Babe, you want to take me for a
Hey, you
cruise?
want to go cruising?
Let's go cruising.
This is cool. Very cool.
What is that? Bullet hole? Yeah, this place is just abandoned out here.
Let's go purchase this property.
I know. I'll move in.
Won't even do much to it.
I'll have this, like, we have animals out here. But it's a pretty cool find.
Very cool. This is fun.
Yeah. All right, we'll keep going. I just wanted you guys to check it out because you got this abandoned little place in the middle of nowhere. Okay, we'll keep going. Or why, for some reason, do I want to look in that little house, little barn?
Let's do it.
You guys want to see what's in there? I do.
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
You want me to go first just to make sure it's clear?
Yeah. because it looks cool but kind of creepy at the same time.
Yeah, you're clear.
Okay.
Dang, they got an I-beam up in this.
I hear bee.
Huh?
Bee is like buzzing over my head.
Cool.
We heard something run, and look at that door right there.
Yeah.
It probably ran out of there. Up into the mountains. Anyways, we'll keep going, see what else we find. Oh look, there's just some leaking water right here, so you know animals come down here. Look at, you see all kinds of tracks. Those look like maybe cat prints. You see all kinds of tracks all over the place right there by that water. All right, I guess we'll go. Want to go through that gate that's
Let's keep going.
bolted, blocked? We'll keep
Very
heading.
cool find.
Yeah. Look at how blue the sky is. You guys see how pretty that is? Beautiful skies. All right. Bye for now. All right, guys. We are exactly 2.2 miles in. And the elevation right here is 3,700 feet. It's very windy up here, but like as you guys can see, this cool little thing right here, Water Canyon Ranch. And then the views are just so pretty up here. Sorry, it's very windy. So, hope you guys can hear me okay. But here goes some views. Look at, somebody lives right there. So somebody knows how to live good. Oh, it's windy. It's cold wind too. It's that mountain cold wind. It feels good though.
Yeah.
Another house right there. So, there's some people living up here. It's pretty cool. We're almost at the top here. This first little hill. But I'm pretty happy. I mean, we've been trying to find a place with the elevation a little bit higher. So we're at 3,700. Oh, here we go. Look how cute that thing is. Beep, beep. Honk, honk. Water Canyon Range. It's pretty cool up here. So we just gotta, we're gonna go up that, and then we're gonna walk along that ridge right there. Up to there. And then I think it wraps around and it heads back down to where, closer to where we parked. Getting a good little workout in, that's for sure. All right, guys. So we made it to the highest peak. Currently it's a little over 4 miles, so we hiked the 4 miles up. Current elevation is 4,000, a little over 4,700. So still windy as ever. And, this was a nice workout. Really tested us like where we're at. Sorry if you can't hear us. We're working against the wind the whole way up. This is what it's been like.
Did you show me the view yet?
No, I'll give you guys a view.
I don't know about you guys. Where are you guys having lunch at today? This is our view. Check it out.
Woo! That wind. You guys see what we're hiking up against? All this wind. You can kind of see the trail that we took to get here. Not that one right there. So that trail leads we did all the way there. Up into the mountains. But it's lunchtime for us. It's time to get some energy. We got peanut butter and jelly, energy drinks, beef jerky, apple. So that'll be our lunch. Alright guys, we got done with lunch. It's about 12:30 and we are now heading back down the mountain. We did a little over 4 miles. So guess what? We got 4 miles to go back down. So today, look at
Howdy.
See, if you take this guy 4 miles out into the mountains, he starts he's a mountain man. Beautiful day, beautiful hike. This one was definitely one to to test out our well, his ankle. Yeah, it's good. We're happy to say his ankle's doing good.
Yeah.
So we pushed. We didn't even plan on doing this many. We weren't planning on doing an 8-mile hike because that's what it'll end up being. We were gonna actually just take it easy because of his ankle, but he's feeling fine, so we just kept going. He wanted to keep going. Matter of fact, once we got to the 4-mile mark,
Well, there's a.
I was like, that's enough.
One of the hikers, and he said going further back, there's actually you ride on the ridge.
Yeah, but he said it was rugged to get down, and Ruben wants to go that way.
Yeah.
I'm like, he said it's very rugged and steep to go down.
But.
And I'm like, no,
But we'll get there one of these days.
just want to make sure your ankle's good.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Very still and quiet up here. You know, originally I was thinking the further out we go, we might see a lot more wildlife or action, activity, anything. And it's just very still, very quiet.
I mean, we see. Oh, what is that?
What?
Look at that.
The heck?
Here, put it in reference to my foot. It's about half my foot size. But what is that?
I have no idea. don't see claws, so some sort of.
It looks.
I don't know.
We're gonna have to look up different type of tracks. That's crazy.
There's more of them right here. He came down this way.
You know what else is kind of cool or crazy? If you look at the dirt, you can see where like it rained and like the rocks were sinking into the dirt. They're like embedding themselves.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
The wind though, it's like beating up. We're working against the wind, and when it's super windy, my nose gets super runny.
I love this though. I feel good. Well, back when I was
cold and
like high school, just out of high school, we used to go. Me and my friends, my buddies, we would go out to Sequoia National Park.
Oh yeah, I love Sequoia.
And where we would camp, at the campsite, there was a river that was probably like a quarter mile from our campsite. So I would wake up before the sun would rise and go take a dip in the river. And that's how I'd wake up. And then I'd come back, start a fire, start breakfast, get coffee going. And by then my friends started waking up. But
well, Ruben's the guy when it's raining and it's like 30 degrees outside, jumps in his parents' pool.
yeah, it's true.
It's a freezing cold pool, he jumps in. Freezing cold lakes and rivers, he's in.
Oh yeah, I love that stuff. That stuff keeps you
So I can't.
Keeps you young.
I barely dip my toe in there. I'm like, woo, I'm good. I'm awake.
Right with you, babe. Look,
I'm awake.
My toes wet. That's fun.
All right, we'll catch you guys once we make it down. We got 4 miles to go. Yeehaw.
Yeehaw.
Yeehaw. Howdy, partner. You ready for this? Ready or not? Here we go. I don't know what that was. Don't ask.
Sound like Mario Kart.
I know. That's what popped in my head too. Is Mario Brothers.
Oh man. I think it's the air's too thin up here or something. We're going crazy.
Yeah. All right, froze this time. I'll catch you guys at the bottom. All right, guys, so we made it down the mountain. We're still not all the way back to our car yet. We got about 1 mile, but we're 7 miles total into the hike right now. And we got 1 more mile to the car. But look, we were up there. Let me zoom in. Up on that peak right It's pretty cool looking at it from down here. It was a nice climb to get up there. Figure